Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Carl Balzer, and this is my 1993 BMW 325 named Klaus the Barbarian. So Klaus started off as a 93 BMW 325. He was falling apart, rusting, not good at all, and I went ahead and saved him from the junkyard. After that, I decided that, hey, I want to really put an exo cage on this and have some fun with it. So we went ahead, I drew up this exo cage skeleton on it, went ahead and got it all fabbed up, cut up the body, and we decided to do an LS swap. Now with the LS swap, we did a junkyard just right out of a truck. Now after wintertime, we're like, you know what, let's go for some main horsepower. So we went with a 1200 horsepower 5.3 LS engine, put now through a T56 transmission, two big huge 72 millimeter turbos. To the front, we also have some Corvette Z06 brakes that I retrofitted to work on the BMW. Of course, we got a nice parachute because we plan on going much faster than 150 in the quarter mile. Got a spoiler on it just for looks. It is running a full Holley Terminator standalone ECU system. The car is set up for burnouts, drifting, and drag racing. It has a full angle kit. That is my car, Klaus the Barbarian. I hope you guys pick me. He's a lot of fun. We do a lot of drag racing, a lot of drifting, a lot of burnouts, and it's just a fun car. And I think he would be the perfect Hot Wheels car because he looks like Hot Wheels cars that I used to buy growing up. So thank you guys. We'll see you again.